Let's create this beautiful gel X design. Hi my loves, welcome back to our channel and a happy new year my loves. Happy new year. This new year is going to be a good year for us all. Amen. Okay, so let's just dive over to the video, okay? Yeah, so now we are applying our base coat as usual. You should know that by now. Apply our base coat, we care for 60 seconds, and then we are going to dive over to the next step. So you know by now that I like to keep my videos short. So we did other hands off camera, and this is what is given. So now we're going to be applying this base color. Like I used to say, you can always apply any preferred color of your choice. So now we are going with this nude for today's design. We are going with this nude. There are so many colors of nude in the market. Okay, so yeah, you can use any preferred color of your choice. We are going to apply that and then cure for 60 seconds or more. I actually cured mine for 120 seconds though before I went over to the next design. So I did the rest of camera, okay. And guys, you know the reason why I always advise you guys to turn it upside down first before you cure it, so that it can be leveled in case there's anyone that is the gel polish have shifted to one side. Turn it upside down for some few seconds before curing it will level the gel, yeah, before you cure it, okay. So now we're using this color of red to draw our French tips. Okay, today's design is actually very, very simple and easy, but also beautiful at the end of the day. So we're going to be using this red to draw our French tips. We'll cure that for 60 seconds and then we'll go over to the next step. So we did the rest of camera and this is what is giving after curing for 60 seconds. So we're going to be using this shade of pink. Should I call it pink or peach? It looks more like peach. Yeah, let's call it peach. So you can use any preferred color of your choice, okay. And then we're using our dot to pin to just drop two dots, and then we use the same dot to pin to drag it down just like a V shape, and then you fill up the middle and then you get your love shape, okay. Let's do that again. You drop two dots, okay, use your dot to pin to drag it down like you are drawing a V shape, and then just fill up the center of it and you get your love shape. Okay, very easy and very, very simple. We'll do that again. Drop dots, drag it down, fill up the center part, and voila, we are done. So just to pop it out, I just dropped a few dots around it, okay, so that it's not going to look too scanty. So another way to get to draw a V shape, you can use your dot pin, drop two dots, and then use your brush to draw down. So it depends on you, it depends on what you want, okay. But if you ask me, I think I prefer using the dot pin to draw everything, okay. As you can see, you use your dot pin to drop two dots, and then use your brush to complete the rest process, okay. But me, if you ask me, I prefer using the dot pin to complete everything, okay. I prefer using my dot pin to drop the two dots, and also dragging it down to form that V shape, or to form the love shape. And that is basically all we did, guys. That is basically all we did. Very simple and very beautiful. Or what do you think? Tell me in the comment section what you think, guys. Tell me in the comment section. Let's communicate. And then if there's anything you want me to do, any design you want me to recreate, just tell me in the comment section and I'll dive right in. This 2026, we are going harder. We are getting rewards for our labors. I have so much There's this so much positivity that I have about 2026, and I believe that it's going to favor us all. And so shall it be in Yeshua's name. He say so, guys. That is basically all we did. We do that, and then we cured for 60 seconds. And me, I actually like curing for 120 seconds. So yeah, I cure for 120 seconds, just to be too sure, or just in case there's any other, there's one part that did not really dry up, so what care. Guys, if I will bite my tongue, curing for 120 seconds, we secure, and make sure that everything is going to be dried up before applying your top coat, okay. So you're not going to ruin your design. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. So we apply top coat after going for 60 seconds, okay. We apply top coat, Top coat is to give your design extra shine and then seal your design. Okay, yes, so I did the many hands off camera. Okay, and this is what is looking after curing for 60 seconds. After curing the top coat for 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to do the other hands off camera, and yeah, this is the finished result. So tell me guys, what do you think? If you ask me, I think this is beautiful. If we are to rate this design, I think I will rate it 8 over 10. Tell me in the comment section, what are you going to rate it? Just rate it from 1 to 10. Let me know. Let me see. All right, guys. We'll see in our next video. I think this is actually the official first video. Yeah, this is the first video for this year. And to think that I actually made this video last year. All right, guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and drop your comments. Okay. Mwah.